Hello and welcome to Froggy Frog Crochet. So let's take a look at foundationless chains and how you make them. Okay, foundationless foundation chains. So this works up the same for any stitch. So single crochet, double crochet, trebles, it all works the same way. It just changes how many of your starting chains you need. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the single crochet foundationless chain. So I'm going to start, if I can, got my slip knot too tight, hang on. There we go. 1, 2, 3 starting chains. If you're doing a double crochet foundationless chain, you'll start with 4 chains. For a treble, you start with 5 chains. So it's really the turning chain plus 1. Okay. So to make the foundationless starting chain, you're going to start with this bottom loop. I'm just hook into the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you're going to chain 1. Okay. So while you get used to it, I would mark this chain 1 with a stitch marker. You're then going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's your single crochet. This is your foundation chain. Okay, so we're creating the foundation chain as we go. So now I'm going to take my stitch marker out of that chain. My hook goes into that chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. So for a normal single crochet, I would now yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. You don't do that. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. And that's the loop we're going to mark, because that one is now your foundation chain. Yarn over, do your single crochet. Because I'm using such chunky yarn, this is very exaggerated. It wouldn't normally be this wholey. Okay. So to the next stitch, go into that marked chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Instead of finishing your single crochet, go to yarn over, pull through 1 loop. And that's the one we mark. So that is now your foundation chain. Oops. And now we're going to finish our single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we have the single crochets and the foundation chains. So doing it this way, it means you don't have to chain however silly amount of chains you need to start a blanket or anything like that. It also removes the problem of your foundation chain being too tight. So you don't need to mess about with getting the right hook size. If your tension's really tight and you always get that curved first row, this stops that problem. So what if I wanted to do a double crochet? It's the same rules apply. So yarn over into that loop that we marked, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. And that's the chain that we mark. You always pull through 1 loop first to make your foundation chain, and then you can yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. There you go. And now you have a double crochet and your foundation chain all in one go. So what about a half double crochet? Yarn over into that loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop to make your foundation chain, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And there you have half double crochet and your foundation chain. There's the 3 loops. 1, 2, 3 of your half double crochet. If you've heard of extended crochet stitches, this is what they are. An extended stitch is adding this extra loop at the bottom of the stitch. So we're really just using linked extended stitches to make the foundationless crochet chain. And there you have how to create
So
your
if
own
you're having any trouble with
foundationless
that,
chains.
come over to the Facebook group. We
Don't
can have a
forget to
chat.
subscribe to this channel for more crochet
And
stitches,
tell me what
hints
you
and
think.
tips and free patterns as
Do you
well.
prefer this method
We
to
also have our
chaining long
fantasy-friendly
chains?
Facebook community, Crochet Frogs Remix
Have you
and
used it
Stitch.
before?
I would love to see you over there. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.